Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to solve 3 math based on algebraic expression. But look, here is we are seeing 5 math. Here number 5 and number 6 we already solved earlier, which solution you will get in the description box. Now let's start algebraic expression, which is very important for SAT, IGCSE, SSC, CBCSE and any kinds of competitive examination. Let's start. First question. Here is given a minus b equals to 4, ab equals to 60. We have to find out the result. A plus b equals to what? But look, a plus b has no direct rule. It's a very interesting thing. We have to find out the value of a plus b, but we have some option where a minus b equals to 4 and ab equals to 60. So how we can find the value of a plus b? This a plus b we can write a plus b whole square, and we can use a square root. Once we square root and this is square, we can out, so we will get a plus b. Therefore now we can make a rules, which is we know a plus b square whole square, it means a minus b whole square plus 4ab, and here we can use this root sign. So this one equals to this, and also this one equals to this. Now look, a minus b we have value which is 4, here 4 square plus 4 times ab, it means 60, and root sign. Now look, here is 16 and here is 60 plus 4, it's a 64, right? No, it's not right. Here is 4 times 6 is a what? 24, and here is 0. Here is root 240 plus 16, it will be 256, and root. Once we make square root 256, we will get the result which is plus minus 16, and this is our answer. So a plus b, it means plus minus 16. Okay, number 3 or today's first question done. This math is very important for SSC, IGCSE, CBCE and lots of competitive examination. So number 3 done. Now number 4. Number 4, here is if a plus b equals to 9m, ab equals to 18m square, what is the value of a minus b? If anybody not understand about number 3, he will not also understand this number 4, but it's almost similar number 3. So here is given a plus b equals to 9m, ab equals to 18m square, and we have to find out the value of a minus b, right? Look, here a minus b has no rule, but this one we can write a minus b whole square, and once we use square root, it will become same value. Now this a minus b we can write a plus b whole square minus 4ab, right, and square root. A plus b, it means 9m, and here is square minus 4 times 18m square, 18m square, and square root. So 9 square, it means 81 m square, here is m square, minus 18 times 4, 4 times 8, it's a 32, carry 3, 4 times 1 4, 4 and 3, it will be 7, it means 72 m square, square root. So 81 minus 72, it means 9 m square, square root. So the answer is, once we make square root of 9m square, it will be plus minus 3m, and our target answer is 3m should be used plus minus, right? So number 4 done. 3 done, 4 done. 4 we already solved and link in description. Okay, now we will start number 6. Number 7, here is given a plus 1 by a equals to 2, and we have to prove something where left hand side a square plus 1 by a square and right hand side a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 same. So in this case, look, a square plus 1 by a square, we can write, we know about the rule, which is a square plus b square. It means a plus b whole square minus 2ab, right? So this a square plus 1 by a square, it will be left hand side. So this one, as per this rule, we can write a plus 1 by a whole square minus 2 times ab. A means a and b means 1 by a, right? So this a and 1 by a out. What is the value of a plus 1 by a? It's a 2. So 2, then square, it will be minus 2. So 4 minus 2, the result is 2. Now we have to find out the value of a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 is 2 or not. So right hand side a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4. Okay, then this one we can write a square plus 1 by a square, right? As like same, a square to the power square, it means a to the power 4, 1 by a square to the power square, it will be 1 by a to the power 4. So this one we can write a square plus 1 by a square whole square minus 2ab, 2 times a square times 1 by a square. So this square out. Now in here we can write a square plus 1 by a square whole square minus 2. Now same thing, this one also we can implement a square plus b square rule. So a plus 1 by a whole square minus 2 times a times 1 by a and whole square minus 2. So these two out. So a plus 1 by a, it means 2 square minus 2 whole square minus 2, right? Now look, here is 2 square means 4 minus 2 square minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is a 2, 2 square means 4 minus 2, and the answer is 2. Now look, left hand side we got 2 and right hand side we just get also 2. So we can say left hand side equals to right hand side, and it's a short. Okay, no more today. We are already solved 3, 4 and 7, 3 math in this video, and in description you will get number 5 and number 6, which we already solved earlier. Thank you very much being with me, and also if you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel.